What up, y'all? Got another video with the Silverado. Y'all seen last video I put the new tail lights on. Right now I'm gonna do the LED strip. Y'all be seeing these right here, strip it all the way at the bottom right here. For mine, I just got the LED strip right here, and I got the adapter right here to hook up the strip. It's right here, just plugs into your tailgate socket right here. Plug it right there. It's gonna be a quick installation right here, quick video. Only thing you gotta worry about, just make sure this right here is clean when you stick it in. I'm gonna stick mine right here underneath my tailgate. So I'm gonna clean off a little bit right quickly. I'm just gonna stick it up here, hook it up. Shouldn't take too long. Go ahead. All right, this is my strip looking like. And I think the only thing, you just gotta make sure you center it up, because I'm pretty sure like it blinks left side for the left blinker, right side for the right blinker. My center is right here, so I'm just gonna center mine up about right there. Start sticking it in there. Comes with a two-sided tape. Just make sure you clean your frame off. I don't really have too much problem with these. I got a lot of these on my bike. They work out pretty good. I ain't had no lights fall off, not yet. Just gonna try to keep it level with my bumper. Hopefully. Turn on all right. Try not to cut my hand on the rust. All right, we got the strip in there. Now, the thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run my wire. I'm gonna run it underneath my bumper here, connect it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this adapter so y'all will see it. All right, first thing I'm gonna do before I even run my wire, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna test it out. See if we got anything. Ooh, seen something. It's pretty bright too. That's why I got the double walls to make it a little brighter. I'm gonna go ahead and run these wires and we're gonna test it out. All right, y'all, we all got it done now. I got the wires all ran and hid. See the bar right there underneath the tailgate. That'll look a lot better too when I get my new tailgate put on. Brakes right there, y'all. Brakes. See what the blinker looks like. Left blinker right there. Go over to the right blinker. Yep. Oh yeah, she looking good. I like it. Hey, hit the four ways. All right, that's the four ways right there, yeah. All right, man. Let's see. Y'all see it right there. Though. She ain't looking half bad now, though, y'all. We got the Silverado right. Looking good. I like it. All right, man, it's gonna be it for this video right here, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.